Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing V from Dandy's World. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the head. We'll start with a line across. Then from both ends, let's angle it down and slightly in. And then a line across the bottom. Now let's draw the same shape all the way around. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw the face. Let's start by drawing a line across over to the left. And then let's add two curved shapes up for the eyelashes. Now let's do the same for the right eye. And then a small line out on the left. And then close off the bottom of each eye with a curve. Next, let's hop inside each eye and let's draw a curve down towards the center. And then lines out on both sides. And then a curve underneath. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move down and draw the mouth. Let's start with an angle on the right. Then let's bring both sides down and then in, leaving a gap. And now let's curve both ends over to the left side. And close off the end. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's color the face in black. And also the inside of the eyes. And that's it for the face. Now let's move on top and let's draw the antenna. Let's start on the top right and let's draw an angle up and out. And then thicken this line up slightly. Now let's leave a gap, and for the right side, let's draw a wavy line up and over like this. And also thicken it up. And then add a circle at the end of each one. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start with two lines down in the center. And then a curve across. Now let's add the sides to the bow tie. Let's draw two bumps. And then a larger one underneath. And then add a curved line inside on both sides. And that's it for the bow tie. Now let's draw the body with a curve down and bring it back up. And now underneath, let's add the legs. let's draw a line down in the center. And then a shorter line down and out on both sides. And then let's curve it out and back in for the feet. And that's it for the legs. Now top out and draw the arms. Let's start by drawing the left arm. Let's start with 2 curves out and back in. And then 2 bumps for the hand. Next, let's hop to the right side. For this arm, let's start a little bit lower and let's draw 2 curves down and out. Now for the top line, let's draw a curve up for the thumb. And then from the bottom, a bump underneath. Next, let's leave a gap and let's draw an oval on the right side. Now in the gap here, let's draw the microphone. Let's start with an angled line down, and then one on top and below the oval. And then close it off at the top and the bottom. Now for the top of the microphone, let's draw a circular curve. Now top and side, and let's draw 2 curves down, and then 3 going across. And then let's add one more finger going out on the right side like this. Lastly, let's add the microphone's cord. Underneath, let's draw a curve over to the legs. And then continue it on the other side and curve it up. And that's it for V. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!